How to add AirHelp Plus to your account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add AirHelp Plus to your account. To do that, the first step would be for you to log into your AirHelp account just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you would see some tabs such as Add Claim, Protect My Future Trip, Check FAQs, Chat with Us. Then you scroll down to the last part where you can see Check Our Plans. Check Our Plans is usually found under the Your Trips tab. Then just go ahead and click on that. Any of the Air Help plans is the Air Plus plan. All right, both of them. So we have two major plans here, which includes 3 trips, 9 trips. So in order for you to add this plus to your account, select the trip, the one that you can afford. All right. Then once you've selected the one, just click on subscribe for so amount per month, and then you'll be directed to the next page where you would have to check out. All right, so you have to choose your payment method first of all by entering in your card details, your expiration date, your security code, your billing address. If you have a discount code, ensure you enter it in the box by the left side of the screen. Then your country, your address line, then click on Buy AirHelp Plus Smart. And then once you've done that, a notification will be sent to you, and then once the money is deducted from your account, you would be able to purchase this subscription. You'll be able to subscribe to AirHelp Plus, and like that you add it will be added directly into your account, just like that, and you begin to enjoy the pro version of AirHelp. So that is it. It is very cool, and I'm sure you'd enjoy it if you should add this to your account. So why not do that now? Thank you for watching and have a good day.